Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Paulstretch in Audacity. So for example, we have here this one track. We need to select this track if we want to edit it. And now we need to go to Effect tab, and after that we need to go to a special settings, pitch and tempo, because here we can find Paulstretch settings. We need to open it, and on default stretch factor should be set to 10 and time resolution maybe to 0.25. But I recommend you to change these settings and set stretch factor to 2 and time resolution to 0.5. Now we need to click apply button, and Paulstretch has been successfully added to our clip. So let's play it and check effect. It is simple as recording. How you see effect is really great. So if you would like to use it in your project, I recommend you to test these settings. And it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.